I want to show you how to change the thumbnails of your YouTube video with the latest, most recent comment. So you will have the profile picture of the commenter, his name and his comment. And this will be in the thumbnails of the video. And when there is someone else commenting on the video, the thumbnails will change again. So as you can see in the background here, you have the profile image of the commenter and also here. So how to do it? You have two things to use. One, of course, is a tool to create an image with variables. Create an image from a template. So it's a tool named switchboard.ai. And the second thing is an automation tool such as Zapier. Personally, I use Pabbly Connect. It's the same. And this tool will allow you to be notified when there is a new comment on a YouTube video, and it will allow you to change the thumbnails. And also, as you can see here, so for this last comment is here, we can reply automatically to this comment, and we can put his name and also other things which are dynamic. For instance, this sentence comes from artificial intelligence, a not very clever one. It's not GPT-3, it's not something like that. It's very simple and it replies often. It's not very relevant, but we provide the comment to this artificial intelligence and it gives us an answer, so we can put it in the comment. So first I will show you maybe the tool to create the image. It's called switchboard.ai. So I create a template with the size of 720p. So it's the size for YouTube thumbnails. And inside I create text, images. Basically it's all the template. In this image, the only thing that doesn't change is my logo for Build and Roll. Otherwise the text are just placeholders. And the way it works, it's depending on the text, it will always try to fill in the box. So if it's only for the profile name, only a few letters, there will be big letters in the center and middle of this box. For the comment, if it's a short one, the letters will be big. If it's a long one, they will be small, but they will always be in this box. And you can see in this image that the background image, which will be the profile image, doesn't prevent us from reading the text. Why? Because I added some transparency, white transparency. And to do that, in fact, you can see here the background. This is the image, the background. And you have also a transparent cover, which takes the whole template. And I created this image in a tool, a graphic tool. So here in red, you have the transparent parts. So you see here, it's white with opacity, full opacity. And then there is a gradient to transparent. And also I made a box here, which is white, but semi-transparent white. So you can see behind, but it's still white. So if I remove, I don't know if you can see it in this screen, but here you have the square. You can zoom in. You have some square, I don't think you can see anything, but here you have transparent, and here it's white, but also semi-transparent. But here it's totally white. So this image, I put it over the background image. So that's why in the middle it's white under the text, so that the text is more readable. So once you have made this template in Switchboard, you can use it in Pabbly Connect. So I will show you now in Pabbly Connect the whole workflow. So it starts with a trigger when there is a new comment on one of the videos of my YouTube channel. And then I make one filter, one condition to continue only if there is no reply to this comment, so that it doesn't reply to the replies and change the thumbnails many times for just one comment. So we use the condition. Inside the trigger, we have the total reply count. If it's equal to 0, so this new comment hasn't been replied by either by Pabbly Connect or by someone else, then we can continue. And this check of new comments is every 10 minutes. So if someone posts a comment on a channel such as mine, for sure there will not be a reply by someone else under 10 minutes. And often, it's every 10 minutes. So when someone posts a comment, maybe 5 minutes later, Pabbly Connect will check on if there are new comments. So it's not every 10 minutes. It depends when the comment is posted. It can be 1 minute later that it will be discovered, or maximum 10 minutes later if we are not lucky. So the next step after that, if we are to do it, is to create the thumbnail. And here we choose the template that we made and we send the URL of the profile image of the commenter that we got in the trigger. We put it in the background image and also in the profile image on the top left. And for the profile name in the text at the top, we put the profile name of the commenter that we get, everything we get in the trigger, and also the comment. And then after that, we have the image. It has been created. So now we can set the thumbnail to the video. For this, it's also easy. You give the video ID, which we got in trigger, and we send the image URL that Switchboard gave us. Then, in order to reply to this comment, first I need to URL encode the comment before sending it to the artificial intelligence API. So I have to do that. So next, I send it to the API and I get a reply, an answer to this comment. Then I also create a random greeting. So this is to have a variation in my replies. So I do a spreadsheet formula, which I take a random number from 1 to 10, and I have 10 different greetings. So it will take one of them. And then I generate again with the spreadsheet formula, I generate a random number between 1 and 15 in order to wait for 1 to 15 minutes before replying to the comment. And in the reply, all we have to do is give the comment ID that we got in the trigger. So we put it here and we compose the reply with a random greeting, space, the name of the commenter, comma, the answer from the artificial intelligence, and then 3 dots and a sentence in order to promote my website. And this sentence, I could also do like the greetings and have some variation. So maybe I will do it later so that the comment will always be different. It is already always different, but it could be even more if I don't have the same sentence, promotional sentence at the end. So I will make some variation of this. And that's it. So that's finished. You could add some improvement to this, but the way it is, it's okay, it's working, and doesn't take much paid task, because in Pabbly Connect it works with free task and paid task. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 paid tasks for one comment, and we get a lot of paid tasks because this Pabbly Connect you can get a lifetime deal. For Switchboard, I have also a lifetime deal, but I don't know if they still do it, maybe. But there are other tools you can find which create images from a template by sending them some variables and they compose the image. So, you have choice. You can find a lifetime. Otherwise, both Pabbly Connect and Switchboard, they have a monthly plan. So if you want to use it by paying monthly, I think it's a nice addition to your YouTube channel so that it always changes the thumbnail. Sometimes it can be interesting, or it can appeal to people to see this. You can see here another one inside this. So it's the same principle. Okay, that's finished for this video. Bye bye.